I am gonna have to change the last part of that intro because I'm almost double that number in subscribers now. And I wanna say that is so lit. And thank you guys for watching this video and for subscribing. I appreciate all of you. In this video, we're gonna go over how to do barrel twists all the way to the ends. I've also seen people calling them barrel roll twists, whatever you want to call it, okay? It looks like a braid, but it's not a braid. And it's more of a twist, but you're basically just using the hair to anchor itself. As usual, we're working on freshly cleaned and freshly retwisted and dried hair. And you want to map out the direction you're going to take your twist before you even start. You want to have an idea of how many you're going to do and exactly where they're going to sit before you even start. I've mapped this client out for 6 straight backs, and here we go. If you saw any of my other barrel twist videos, then you know that I like to map out usually in the front. It's usually more narrow in the back. So if you start with 2 rows in the front, there's usually only going to be 1 in the back. Sometimes not all of them will even be able to make it to the bottom row. Just as long as when you map it out, it's symmetrical on both sides, you should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up, and then we'll talk about the mechanics of the entire barrel. I almost always start in the middle for barrel twist styles. That's just how I find it easiest to make sure it's symmetrical and uniform on both sides. So just like in my other barrel twist videos, you're going to start by twisting the first 2 locks in the front around each other, and then you're going to alternate sides. You're going to twist the left side over the right and under, and then you're going to twist the right side over the left and under, and you're going to keep doing that, going back, kind of like you're lacing what looks like shoelaces. When you get to the locks at the hairline, you really don't want to use those to wrap around because it is tight and that can be painful. So instead, you'll lay those flat and wrap the previous row around. That way it's in the barrel, but not being used to secure the barrel. I hope you caught that and that it made sense because it's very important. You really don't want that back row to be pulling too tightly. After that, you just wrap a lock until you run out of hair. I've seen it done with 2 and 3, but that looks bulky to me. So I just do 1 lock at a time. And when you reach the end of that, before you get to the end, maybe 2 inches from the end, you want to grab another longer lock and tuck the 2 inches underneath that one. Now what you see here with me searching for a darker lock is really because I'm just trying to color block and only have black showing at the top until I don't have a choice anymore. And I was just doing that for fun. All right, well, enjoy the rest of this video. I added a few more tips in to the end, but frankly, I'm tired of hearing my voice, and I'm tired, guys. When you see people uploading multiple videos a week, just know that YouTube is their full-time job because I actually do this full-time, and so I don't really have a lot of time to make videos. I have time to record them because I'm already doing this, but I don't have a lot of time to do the voiceovering and the instructing and stuff. But I really feel like it's a need in the lock community, especially because there's so much bad information out there. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I will try to keep up with making videos based off of what you guys are asking me for. Somebody requested this one, and I just so happen to already have a video that I had saved. I also made a new one, so I'm probably going to use that one in a future video. But I welcome your comments and questions, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.